Wondering what the Australian shoppers are searching for on Etsy? Here at eRank, we're back again to take the guesswork out of your Etsy SEO and product research. We'll show you the most popular search terms with Australia's Etsy shoppers. Then we'll analyse what these trending keywords tell us about what's selling best on Etsy now. If this is your first time here, the lovely Jan over at the eRank blog creates these reports. This is just a summary. For the full report, or if you prefer reading, pop over to the blog. Here's February's top 20 Etsy keywords. And g'day Australians! You have a high rate of turnover in your top 20 this month again. Last month there were 13 climbers. That's keywords that were in the top 20 that weren't in the last month's. This month there are 11, and one of them is a screamer. That's a keyword that wasn't in the last month's top 1000. Here's Australia's highest climbers this month, listed with current search rank first. 7 of these didn't really have far to climb. They're all ranked in your 100 top shopper searches last month. So let's start with the 4 that are hottest with Etsy Australia shoppers. First to your screamer, Italian charm bracelet. What the heck, eh? Bracelets have been trending well for you recently, but this keyword strikes us as oddly specific, especially to rank so high out of nowhere. Is it Taylor Swift? Actually, no, it doesn't appear to be. We should have known, though. If it's hot and it's not Taylor Swift, then it's TikTok, along with a boost from a contestant on a popular reality show. That, that in a nutshell, is the world we live in. What's lovely here, that as long as you don't use brand or celebrity names, this product should be fine to sell. What's even more stellar is that bar chart. It's got everything we data geeks love to see. Good average monthly searches, even better click average. Then that average click-through rate of 129%. And best of all is that Etsy competition figure. Only 133 of your fellow Australian Etsy sellers are currently using this keyword. Scouting around for what to sell on Etsy? This month, our February 2024 pick of the month. This is it right here. But be quick, there's no telling how long this opportunity will stay good. Number 8, rug, is up from number 135. This keyword's popular in other countries too just now, but look how it's doing with Australia Etsy shoppers. For a broad keyword, this has an amazing click-through rate. This suggests that buyers are seeing what they like in Etsy search and clicking on listings there. Hopefully good news for Australian rug sellers. On Australia's top Etsy keywords list this month, 6 have the word rug. Number 8, rug, 43rd rugs, 182 moss rug, 331 game rug, 415 rugs for bedroom aesthetic, and 604 couse rug, which Etsy search algorithm deems to be a misspelling of cause rug. If so, beware of IP issues. Number 15th, personalized gift, up all the way from 426. In several of our reports, we're noting some unexpected US spellings of words, and personalized with a Z is no exception, so here's both of the spellings. I saw on a UK homepage there's a call to action button with the word spelt the UK way, but it took me to a page populated with a US spelling. Are you seeing the same in Australia? Either way, it doesn't matter, as Etsy understands both spellings mean the same, so spell it the way that most of your customers write it. Number 18th, decor, up from 189th. The last of your hottest shopper searches this month is decor, so have a look at it. Sadly, for February, the click-through rate is just 60%. That means that only 60% of the searches for that term result in clicks. Sadly, this is what we expect from a broad keyword. People search for decor without really knowing what they want, so they have to refine their searches. So it does show they want decor, but just not what type of decor. And home decor is even worse, with a click-through rate of 41%. If this term was an Etsy homepage call to action, they may have got it wrong for you Australians this time. If you're in this niche, none of it means you should be discouraged. Rather, this tells us that Australian shoppers aren't using such a broad term to search. They may well be clicking on Etsy's on-site promotions of home decor, and again, just not liking what Etsy has chosen to show them. not enough to click through. It could be that the shoppers with purchase intent are then typing into search much more niche terms like rug and furniture. And here's furniture ranking 29th with Australian shoppers just now. And the keyword has an excellent click through rate for the month, 149%. And while we're on the topic of decor and furniture, what's up with these? Wood light box. And this has to be Australia's top Etsy keywords spike of the month. Australia sure looks like you've cornered this market. And yep, that is a spike, all right. Usually we caution our members about these one off spikes, but you've actually got 3 related searches in your February top 1000. Wood light box, custom wood light box, laser cut dog light wood box. We searched wood light box and they're nice. And if you're looking for things to sell on Etsy, these would be cheaper to ship than furniture. Number 100, romantic fashion. Clothing, which is currently ranked 9th, has been a frequent flyer on Australia's top Etsy keywords list. Here's another of your popular shopper searches for which you have an unusually large slice of the pie. Another spike, and while it does have an average click through rate of 149%, we do feel more cautious about this one. There were no searches with the word romantic in your February top 1000. Is romantic related to Valentine's Day, or could romantic be referencing a style? We'll keep an eye on this one. And if clothing is your niche, you might want to add it to a keyword list. Let's monitor romantic fashion for you. Because yes, as we said, clothing searches are regularly among Australia's top Etsy keywords. They're on February's top 20 list at number 9. Clothing, number 11, t-shirt, and number 13, shoes. Here's clothing and 21st ranked clothes. Clothing is a good category to research if you're looking for what's selling best on Etsy in Australia. Just niche down, like for instance with this one. Jan just happened to spot this among Australia's top Etsy keywords. When you assess the stats in this bar chart, remember it shows a 12-month average. This search, fitness wear, is only just cropped up with 2,550 searches in February. So don't take the plunge just yet. But that 148% click-through rate sure is enticing, and the dearth of competition even more so. Only 1,071 Etsy Australian shops are using this keyword. And one more thing, Australia's got 75% of the global Etsy pie for this search. Austria has the other 25%. Wonder what's up with that. Obviously, we could go on, but we value your time. We know you're busy. If you'd like more inspiration and haven't yet checked out this month's other trends report, pop over to the blog. And as always, we love hearing what you think about these or any other trends you've spotted. You're welcome to join us in eRank's private Facebook group. With over 27,000 members from all around the world, someone friendly is always up and about.